Welcome to Printer Repair with MRP, a ServIT company. In this video, we will be replacing the media sensor assembly for a ZT610 printer. First, open the media door and remove the Torx head mounting screw from the electronics cover. Next, remove these 3 electronics cover mounting screws. Now lift the electronics cover off of the printer. Remove the nut from the plastic bracket organizing the cables. Locate the media sensor cables, which are connected to the J21 and J47 connector ports, shown here. Disconnect the media sensor cables from the main logic board and sort them away from the rest of the cables. Now it's time to remove the old media sensor. From the media side, remove the 2 screws securing the media sensor to the printer. Guide the media sensor cables through the access holes and remove the media sensor assembly from the printer. Locate the notch on the new media sensor, located here, to properly align the media sensor assembly to the printer frame. Guide the new media sensor cables through the access holes. Align the new media sensor with the mounting holes in the printer mainframe. Install the 2 mounting screws. Note that there is a black connector and a white connector, as well as a black port and a white port. Guide the media sensor cables through the other cables up to their corresponding ports. Reattach the organizing bracket, making sure to have all the cables inside before securing the nut into place. Connect the new media sensor according to color to the main logic board. Now slide the electronics cover onto the printer. Install the 3 electronics cover mounting screws. Finally, install the media side mounting screw. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, share, and check out our website for more videos, information, and any parts you may need.